Yeah, you can come over, little bud. Oh, you're okay. Okay, come on. Okay, you know that didn't hurt you, so come back. Munchie, see? Hand is not threat. Pet. Come on, you're okay. See? Hand is not threat. See? Hand is bread. Boop. Okay, I'm gonna leave you there while I go bring other friend a snack. By other friend, I mean the little bush guy. Hi, bushy friend. He's a bit older than the other two, but he's more skittish. But he still sticks around when I come over. Come on, bud. Come get your food. Yep. Hi, bud. See, hand is not. See, I'm just trying to pet you. Here you go. Hello, bud. Good job, Eclair. For those of you who don't know, the little black and white one's Eclair, and that little dude back there, Cinnabon. Yeah, see? Hand, not threat.